Hi, my name is Paul Clevitt and I'm the author and creator of the SignalTrader Forex trading system. The SignalTrader Forex trading system, as an overview, contains a set of plugins for MetaTrader 4 that provides this information, and we've got a server as well, and your trades are submitted out to the server and the server does a bit more processing before you get them back. So it's a robot, or you can trade manually. So I'm going to talk to you trading manually, but I'm going to tell you what the robot does. Okay, first thing we're going to do is just go through some of the things you can see on the screen. You can see here we've got a currency heat map just here. The currency heat map basically shows us the strength of the currency. All the currencies compared to each other. Green is strong and red is weak, and the brighter the green is, the stronger it is, and the darker the red, the weaker it is. Now you see also there's a percentage here, so it's marked AVG, and basically that means the percentage of that currency compared to all the other currencies. So for instance, the Aussie dollar is everything's kind of medium because of the time of day we're in, apart from the Canadian dollar, which is at 61%. Okay, now so that's the heat map. Now over here we also have all the trends in one go, so you can see we've got let me just quickly change charts so we can try and get things out of the way. There we go. Right, so we've basically got all the trends, 1 minute, 5 minute, and you can see the different things that are going on. Basically, we've got a bullish move that's turning downwards. The 5 minutes turning. Basically this is kind of a flat trade. So it's been sitting. In fact, if you look at it, it's been sitting here all day. It's about coming towards the end of the day. So this is a kind of flat trade. So here's one. You can see where it's all bearish, but the daily's changing direction as well, looking for a short. But we're not going to take a short on this yet. We need something else to happen first, which I'll come to in just a second. The software evaluates potential trades. It works out the targets based on fractals. It works out where the market's likely to go, up to 5 targets. So you can move your TP as you go along and add trades in if you want to. So here's one with some targets. You can't see the top one. So let's go through how we evaluate a trade. Oh, and down here I forgot to tell you about this. This is basically this set of figures expressed as a chart. Now what we're looking for is when they cross. Now one of the things you can do with this is you only need 2 charts to trade. So basically we've got this controller, and we can flip charts just by using the controller here. So I can go select chart, say New Zealand yen. Okay, and here's a New Zealand yen chart. You can see we've got a short. There's a short going on, but we only want to take longs, and they'll tell you why. Because we only take trades above this line. We only take longs above it and shorts below it. Okay, and so basically what we're looking for is we're looking for the streams to cross, like Ghostbusters here. So you see that's the streams across for a short, but we only take longs here. Okay, same here. So we would have been interested in a long just here, and that would have given us this would have been a target of here, provided the risk reward was good enough. Let me show you a trade that I've actually had on since yesterday, which is actually on a different account, but that's okay. I can show you the oh, in fact we have actually got it running on here. So here's a euro dollar sale from yesterday. Went on last night about 9 o'clock in the evening. It's now heading well and truly towards the target. So we took for a short below the 50 period daily moving average. The streams crossed last night. You can see we ignored the long. So that euro plummeted in strength and the dollar's strong. So that's great. So that means that we're probably going to get that tonight, overnight. It'll probably hit our take profit. Now, if you want to see how your trades are doing, by the way, let me show you this. So I've got 4 trades on at the moment. I've got CAD Chief, Euro Aussie, and you can tell you now when it says safe, that means that the stop has been moved inside the entry. That means these 3 trades, we can't lose them, even if the market turns around. And the other thing we can do is to look at the settings here. Okay, keep safe at pips. 23 pips means that at 23 pips, it's going to move the entry inside the stop. Once that trade's in there, we cannot lose it, even if it goes against us. We've got a 60 pip trailing stop, so once it's 60 pips in, it'll start moving the stop up. That gives us the room we need. Okay, and there's some other things in there as well. We can limit the amount of stop loss it has and all kinds of things. while it's running. So the robot will sit there and actually do the maths and work all this out and trade for you. Okay, so I don't really actually place any trades. I just look at what the robot does. He sends you emails. You get an email every hour with the state of your trades in pips, so that if somebody's looking over your shoulder, they don't know how big your account is or anything like that, because nobody wants that. You get emails with potential trades, and you get emails when the robot is going to place a trade. Now, there's a set of controls down here which I've shown you already, so you can go select chart GBP Euro, and it'll flip to the GBP Euro. And I'll show you another thing. Okay. Take a look at this. Select chart. Now if I go Chief Dollar, now that's round the wrong way. But the software knows. It knows it's actually Dollar Chief. So you don't, if you're a beginner, you don't have to worry about which way round that goes. Now, also you can just scroll through the charts. Look at this, you see, and it's just changing the charts. The other thing you can do, let's say you've got 2 or 3 trades on. So let me just look at my trades. So I've got Euro Aussie on and Euro Yen. So let me just go select Euro Aussie. So I can see the currency strength for Euro Aussie. Now I also want to just turn on the yen one, so I can see how the yen's relating to it. So you can see that I've got the Euro Aussie and the Euro Yen together. Again, as I said before, we're looking for this to get down to the first short target. Probably not anymore, because look at it, it's been ranging between those 2 places. If it comes back and hits me, there's my stop, there's my entry. You see the stops below the entry. So it's really it's quite a simple way for you to trade, because actually the robot does most of the work. You could just watch and kind of scroll around the charts. It's quite useful. Another thing you've got is, I was telling you that we're going on external servers. Here's you've got a web interface. These are the trades the robot didn't take, but it kind of like the look of. You've also got your robot controlled there. This is one of my test accounts. That's a really tiny amount, isn't it? It should be there should be a 1. I'll do that in a minute. So basically, you've got your news coming in here. You've got the currency meter that you store on the chart, but in percentages. Now, also with this, we've also got a complete support system. So there's a user group. There's a 24-hour chat room on Skype, which has always got people in it that know about the software and how it works. And that's it. And it's a huge system, as you can see. It's all pretty well laid out. You don't really have to do any much working out yourself, because it's all on the screen. Now, this system costs $99 if you want to buy it outright, or if you take an account with Belfor FX through my website, and only through my website, you give us the account number, you can get it for nothing. Okay, as long as it's a live account and you deposit at least $100, the software comes part of the Belfor FX package. So so that's really it. Just going to pull that up. Okay, so that's it. So actually, this is another demo account. Let me show you. This is a little demo account I've had open today. This one's got two live trades in that are all safe. That's a teeny weeny live account. I don't show you my main live account. This one's got 2 trades that are safe in it. Again, so I can go to sleep easy tonight, because I can't lose money on my Forex trades. I've got to, at the moment I can't lose money. So that's the way it works. If you'd like to get the software, just go to iwanttobeaforextrader.com or strobot.co.uk. It's the same website, www.iwanttobeaforextrader.com. You might be viewing this website on there, so you're going to click the next button, and you can go through to the payments information. Here's someone actually coming through and asking for some help, so I'm going to go and help them in a second. Have a great day. If you need any help, please contact us. You can talk to us live through the website, and we'll try and help you out. And wish you every success with whatever trading system you decide to choose.